Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the newest wearable from Huawei, the Huawei Band 9. It is the latest fitness tracker from the company, and as you can see here, it has a sporty look, and we expect it to be loaded with the new features as well as hardware. So this is the packaging of the Huawei Band 9. So we will check on the features of this wearable. We are going to have the unboxing, review of its specs and design. So if you have any questions regarding the Huawei Band 9, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, let's explore the Huawei Band 9. Let's have the unboxing of this new fitness tracker from the company Huawei. So we have here, as you can see, a very simple packaging. Okay, on the side we have here the health app that is available for iPhone and the Android platform. And at the back we have some features here. So skin-friendly strap, 8.9mm ultra thin design, auto-adjustable brightness, automatic blood oxygen monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring, scientific sleep management. We do have here 100 workout modes, long battery life, and fast charging, and of course it is compatible with Android and iOS. So let's check out the wearable. So let's have the unboxing of this fitness tracker. So here on the bottom part, so let's remove this one. Okay, then let's pull this. Okay, so we have here the box. Let's see. Okay, so here we have the fitness tracker. Do we have other contents now? Let's check. So inside we expect the user manual as well as the charging cable. So let's see. Okay, so we have here the charging cable, USB and pogo pin. What else do we have here? Okay, so we have the warranty card and the user guide. So we have the user guide, the warranty card, the charging cable, and we have the fitness tracker with a strap already attached to it. Again, these are the contents of the Huawei Band 9. So checking on the wearable, as you can see here, let's have a closer look. So it has a sporty design. Okay, glossy black. I like the finish here. It looks beautiful. Okay, looks classy. Beautiful looking fitness tracker here. So we have somewhat like a slightly curved body frame here, if I'm not mistaken. We have a physical button on the side, similar to the Galaxy Fit 3. At the back we have a PC material, Huawei, and the model number. We have the sensor, and we have here the strap attachment here, the lock. Okay, very simple mechanism. So far I like the color of this one. We have here a glossy black. I expect it to be flat black, but this one, I think it is much better. Nice, looking nice so far. I'm impressed with the color here, the finish of the Galaxy of the Huawei Band 9. Okay, not the Galaxy Fit3, but Huawei Band 9. Okay, so far it looks good with a physical button here. For the specs of the wearable of the Huawei Band 9, so we have it here. So 43.45 by 24.86, 8.99 millimeter. So 14 grams without the strap, 1.47 inch AMOLED screen with a 194 by 368 pixel resolution, 282 pixel per inch. Sensors, we have 9-axis accelerometer sensor, gyroscope sensor, magnetometer sensor. We have optical heart rate sensor, ambient light sensor, Bluetooth 5.0 and BLE. 14 days maximum. Okay, time for its battery life, and we have here white, starry black. What we have here is the starry black, charm pink, silver, and dark gray. So this is the specs of the Huawei Band 9. So seems like we do have a slim black border here, except for the bottom part. Let's try to turn it on and see. We still have battery left. Yes, we do have. Okay, let's wait for it. It's now loading. Harmony OS. The same with the Huawei Band 8. English. Use QR code, reset about. Device name Huawei Band 9. Model KAMB19. Scan the QR code to download the health app on your phone, then add this device. So we will try to add this, and let's have a preview of the UI of the Huawei Band 9. Finally, we have successfully paired the Huawei Band 9 with the Huawei Health app. Okay, it's available for iPhone and Android mobile device. So let's check on the UI of the wearable. As you can see here, we do have a cool looking watch face. On top we have a quick settings. Let's adjust first the settings here. Display and brightness. Let's see for the brightness. Okay, let's increase the brightness here so I can check it clearly. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the different features. Okay, so this is weather and music. On the right side we have, okay, what's this? The heart rate, the blood oxygen, and sleep monitoring. So it seems like it's a health function. We have the sports, sleep monitoring, automatic activity tracking, and that's it. To access the main menu, I guess you have to press the home button. So we have the workout records, and other features here. So it's almost the same. It is almost the same with its previous wearable, the Huawei Band 8. Okay, so far very responsive. The screen display is okay. Let's see if we can change the watch face directly here. So we have, how many watch face do we have? So we have several watch faces here. Cool looking watch faces. And as you can see here, it's a bit wide on the bottom part for the black border, but slim on both sides here, left and right. So this is our Huawei Band 9 fitness tracker. Starry black with physical button on the side. Very easy to access UI, the same UI with its previous wearable. And it is loaded with, how many sports do we have? I think it is loaded with over 100 workout modes. So again, if you have any questions regarding the Huawei Band 9, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. On the next video, we will focus more on the menus and features of this new fitness tracker from Huawei. Bye!